Garden of God's reign. The first luminous theory. Jesus came from Nazareth in Galilee and was baptized in the Jordan by John. And at once as he was coming up out of the water, he saw the heavens turn apart and the Spirit like a dove descending on him. And a voice came from heaven, "You are my Son, the beloved, my favor rests on you." Mark 1:9-11.
Gandahan ng pagputol.
Welcome, Mirador Heritage and Eco Spirituality Park. Mirador Hill Peace Memorial. The third luminous mystery, the proclamation of the kingdom of God. This is the fourth luminous mystery.
Laya, come on. Let's take a picture.
Mirador Hill Peace Memorial.